Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A 50 MW solar portfolio should be predictable, stable generation, stable revenue, stable returns. Across the industry, portfolios this size consistently underperform by 3 to 7% every year. Not because of one major failure, not because of downtime, because of small compounding inefficiencies spread across thousands of strings modules and operating hours. A 1% loss does not look urgent, but on a 50 MW portfolio, that is the difference between hitting your return targets or missing them by millions over asset life. This is not a maintenance problem, it is a financial visibility problem. This matters if you are responsible for asset performance. This matters if you are responsible for operations and maintenance strategy. This matters if you are responsible for portfolio returns. Let us align on what actually drives performance financially. You are tracking yield versus P50 and P90 projections. You are tracking performance ratio. You are tracking availability. You are tracking revenue versus budget. Most portfolios hit acceptable availability while still missing revenue targets. Availability measures uptime, not efficiency loss within uptime. Performance ratio signals something is wrong, but not why or how much it is costing you. So where exactly is the revenue leaking before it becomes visible in monthly reports? The first problem is fragmentation. Your data lives in silos such as SCADA, systems, drone inspections, IV curve, reports, maintenance logs, and work orders. Each one tells part of the story. None of them tell the full picture. Decisions get made with disjointed data leading to delays. When SCADA shows a deviation, the field team investigates, then reports are reviewed manually and findings are disconnected from financial impact. That delay is where loss compounds. A single source of truth changes this. When inspection, performance, and maintenance data connect, faults are no longer isolated, trends become visible, and every anomaly can be tied to revenue impact. Without that connection, you are operating blind at scale. Now, let us talk about what is actually causing the losses, not theoretical losses, but real ones. Common examples include bypass diode failure, which reduces string output. Soiling variability is not uniform, meaning certain blocks lose efficiency faster, and cleaning everything wastes money. Potential induced degradation causes slow voltage loss across strings and can be invisible in basic inspections. Thermal hotspots indicate micro cracks, connection faults, and degradation. Each of these exists at string or module level, often does not trigger alarms, and persists for months. SCADA alone will not catch them. Thermal alone will not diagnose them, and IV curves alone will not scale efficiently. When combined, you move from symptom detection to root cause diagnosis, and that is where financial recovery starts. Detection is only half the problem. Execution is where most portfolios fail. A fault is identified, logged, and assigned manually, then delayed due to prioritization gaps, and often lacks verification after repair. Issues stay unresolved or partially resolved, and revenue keeps leaking. A structured workflow fixes this by automating detection and prioritization based on financial impact. Action assigns a field team with exact fault location, and verification follows with post-repair validation. An audit trail provides proof for internal reporting warranties and claims. Without governance, you do not have operations, you have activity without outcome. This is where most systems stop. They detect faults but do not answer what it is costing you. Every defect should translate into kilowatt-hour loss, revenue loss, and impact on IRR and LCOE. A 0.5% performance loss across 50 MW running all year is a financial event, not just a technical issue. Scale that across multiple sites, faults and years, and portfolios quietly miss return expectations. When you quantify loss, decisions become faster, prioritization becomes obvious, and budget allocation becomes defensible. Without financial translation, you are fixing problems but not optimizing returns. The approach emerging across high-performing portfolios is simple. Treat inspections, diagnostics, and workflows as part of one operation. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.